Good afternoon, folks. My name is Junior Laura, and today I am here to talk to you about my business plan called United Through Sports League. The idea came to me as I was thinking about the many young men and women in Haiti who would play soccer in their communities every afternoon starting 5 p.m. sharp. Although those kids love sports, the leaders of the programs to which they attended often lack dedication and control of those programs. For example, members of the program would bring knives and sharp rocks in order to start chaos during games. As a result of that, some kids will quit. The reason why they quit, there are several reasons. First, because they're poor and they don't have the ability to buy proper equipment to play soccer. They don't have money for cleats or anything like that. And other reason, like I explained, is the danger part of the program. They're scared of getting stabbed during a game. As a result of not having the ability to purchase equipment, these kids would often go join gangs. Um, well, which brings me to why UTSL? Well, UTSL's main idea is, or goal really, is to prevent kids from joining gangs, um, and also to help keep them entertained and busy, while also giving them a chance to do it professionally, allowing them to play the sports that they like and enjoy, and also be making money to support their families, and at some point even help their communities as well, help it grow. Additionally, the purpose of UTSL is to also introduce new sports to those communities. The hope is to help those kids discover their hidden talents, because you never know. One kid might be good at lacrosse, another might be good at soccer, another might be good at football. You never know. And our goal is to help them discover this hidden talent that's within them. Uh, UTSL will start slowly by first creating a football league with 8 teams. Uh, they will have buses and all those things to carry on the travels. And we will hire young men in Haiti to play for us. Within 2 years of the football league running and operating successfully, hopefully, we will use a portion of our profits to start implementing other sports such as baseball and lacrosse within those communities. Um, well, who is this league for exactly? Well, obviously, this league is for the rising children of Haiti. But it is for the young men in Haiti, young men and women in Haiti, and we hope to provide them with choices and ways to escape the gang life. Because a lot of the times, those kids don't just join the gangs for fun. They join those gangs for financial reasons and because they feel a lack of purpose, and we want to give them a purpose. Um, well, you might be asking yourself, why should we care about UTSL? Well, at UTSL, we believe that sports has the power to unite all types of people. We see sports as a tool to make people disregard their differences. If you go to Haiti and talk to a normal, regular citizen there, they will tell you that they have no hope in Haiti because of like how the government has been operating in the past few years, and how the government has been stealing money from the country and using it for their own needs. No one believes in any good in Haiti anymore. So we will try to like give the people some hope and something to have pride over. Um, through like again through implementing sports, we hope to give them the hope that that chaos that they're thinking of will end and it will start with us if it has to. Uh, the financing for UTSL will be made up of investments from some of my friends from high school, loans from banks, and some of my personal savings. One problem with UTSL is that at the moment, like many startup businesses, would like the efficient amount of funds. Right now, we are offering you guys $250,000 for 10% of a company. And you might ask yourself, what makes us unique? Well, what makes us unique is that we're not in it just for the money. We're trying to raise the kids, not raise them, but we're trying to like implement in them uh, an idea, and then and show them how to be prideful of their own land. So yeah, thank you.